Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword but a reality shaping our world. Today, we're diving into how you can get started with AI, whether you're a beginner, a tech enthusiast, or a professional looking to integrate AI into your projects. AI is everywhere, from the smartphone in your pocket to the cars on our streets and the way businesses operate. But how do you get from being an observer to an active participant in this AI revolution? First, it's crucial to understand the basics. AI is a broad field that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, and self-correction. There are two main branches: machine learning, where algorithms learn from data, and deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain. Step 2 is education. There are countless resources available to learn AI. Start with online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udacity, or edX. Books like Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach are also great for building a solid foundation. Don't forget to join AI communities and forums to stay updated and connected. Nothing beats hands-on experience. Start small with projects like a chatbot, image recognition app, or even a simple AI to play games. Platforms like GitHub offer project ideas and code that you can learn from and contribute to. To build your projects, you'll need the right tools. Python is the most popular programming language for AI, thanks to libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. These tools offer pre-built functions that simplify the process of building and training your AI models. Embrace challenges and continuous learning. The field of AI is rapidly evolving, so staying curious and keeping up with the latest developments is key. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences to network with professionals and learn from their experiences. AI has the power to transform our world in ways we're just beginning to imagine. By understanding the basics, educating yourself, engaging in projects, utilizing the right tools, and embracing continuous learning, you're on your way to becoming a part of this exciting field. The future is AI, and it starts with you. Thanks for watching. If you're inspired to start your AI journey, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides. Together, let's unlock the potential of AI.